how to set timer on Instagram camera. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set timer on Instagram camera. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom of this interface and then tap on plus icon. So once you land on this interface, you have to select Reel or Story from this slider at the bottom of this interface. And here tap on Camera. So once you land on this interface, at your left hand side there is a menu bar. Tap on this drop down here and then select Handsfree. After you select your Handsfree, now you could record in the Instagram. After that, you have to tap the record button and then the countdown will begin and it will start recording automatically. So once done, simply pause it and then you have your recording. So that's the way to add timer on Instagram camera, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.